I already this one because I'm waiting almost for the hours, but it's okay. Nakakadin sa mga agis. Second round the Cheers. So right now we're gonna going back home right now. So almost like a 5:20 because meron magtatrabaho pa tayo because I'm going to this one that was a press lettuce. Wow. Good shout out to everyone in the first back sa Chalco. Everyone's market day. Ayan ang mga magbabawan. And of course, imagine that the bawang is gamot sa mga kulong sa lot of benefit. It's a market day right in here in Korea. Samahan mo ko. And of course, subscribe to all my channel and Adventure Tayo.
Now, there's nowhere to hide since you push.
Dito lang sa paligid-ligid dahil market day. Maraming beses na rin ako what they call that, nag-live streaming outsiders and of course dahil market day for today. Igagagala ko kayo. Of course imagine that si Afang nagbili siya ng ulam. Yes, I'm gonna go by what you call that, paanang manok. Diba sa Pilipinas is Adidas. Yes, market day. Andito yung mga baratillos, merkado yan, yung mga organic foods and of course left to the right, meron silang mga what you call that, the chicken. No, that's a fried chicken. And of course yung mga organic nila. So, bibili ko kay Imo ng wala na siyang takpal. Imo takpalog sa'yo? Takpalog sa'yo mo?
Ako, ujan ay kunlasay.
Yes, so wala sila, naubusan sila ng takpal. It's okay, just all we do is we're gonna go travel na lang po tayo. And I'll show you around. Nakapalibot sa what you call that, in the ocean. Look at the fresh fish. And of course, right, ito yung mga kinilang mga dinner tayo. And of course, this one am I talking about someday or I'd like to buy. Ito yung mga fresh nilang mga bawang. Bawang na ipinilad. And of course, meron din silang mga kalaso, like the fish. Yes, and of course, may dried. Yes, meron silang mga dried fish in here. Ito yung kanilang mga seafoods. Yun. Tinatawag yung mga ojing. Oy! Fresh from the farm. Wow! Look at that. It was amazing. So, hindi lang mga Korean mamili. Meron din mga foreigners. And of course, right in here, ito yung mga kanilang preservative like the organic and the kimchi. And this one is a pepper kimchi. Wow! Bibili ako ng paanang manok eh. Wow! Look at that. It was amazing. Ito yung mga tubo nila. Oh, meron pa silang live. So, dito tayo. Because I'm wondering to buy something na paanang manok. Yes, and of course, famous din sila sa mga street foods, sa mga restaurant right in here. Ito ang the tteokbokki. Yes, really look at that. This one is a tteokbokki. I would like to eat that one. Chicken. Oy, I want like something like that to eat. Yes, ang gusto ko kasi like yung chicken feet. And then this one, yung kailang mga, what you call that? Little sesame oil, ang mga seeds. Right here, restaurant in here, famous and of course trending sa buong mundo. Yung kanilang mga restaurant. Wow, like the kimchi and of course ang samji is na trending din sa bansang Korea, all over the world. And this one is really good. Wow, and this one is ready to eat na. Wow, diba? It's fried. Oh, this one is the kimchi. Wow. And of course, mayaman sila. And this one am I talking about? This one is the pepper at yung gochu carrot na ginagamit at pinagmimix sa kimchi. Yes! Sa mga ukay-ukay. And mahilig din ako sa mga ukay-ukay, mga halbong kaibigan, mga vintage. So, hindi ako bumibili kasi ng mga bago because like practical lang. Mga ukay na lang. It's okay, no? Seafoods nila in here, it was really good. Wow. Imagine that. Gusto ko bumili ng talong. 3,000 walang yung talong. So, ipa-fried mo lang siya. Ay, mga fish from the farm. At kanilang mga veggie. Wow, it was amazing. So, mayaman din sila sa mga jamit. This one am I talking about mga ukay. So, where can I find? Where can I buy yung paa ng manok? So, gagala pa ako at makabili ng paa ng manok. Mahal kong kaibigan. Ito mga baratil. Paborito na aking mother yan. Yung mga damit. Ito bibili ng paa ng manok but kasi naubusan sila but I tried to other place. Wow, nag-enjoy ako. Imagine that in here at like to the left. Yes, kasi hapon na. Imagine that like this one, the fresh chili. Was meron sila mga food kara in here and of course imagine that. It was amazing. Diba meron sila mga like mga puto-puto or something like the rice cake na mga what you call that rice cake nga. Sa Pilipinas maraming din tayong ganun. And of course this one, dinadayo din kanila mga dry sea, mga dry fish. Diba? Mahilig ka ba sa mga ukay, baratilyo? Ako mahilig ako. Kimchi, and of course kimchi. That number one is kimchi. Walang ipit. Walang pinagkaiba sa Quiapo. Diba, right in here, I'm gonna go check it out. Talaga gusto kong bumili ng like to buy. Or this one like the veggie. Kanilang mga sibuyas. So, let me check and find out in here if meron silang paan ng manok. Yeah, this one. Oh, they have in here. So, bili nga ako. 1 kilo. Wow. So, bibili ako ng 1 kilo ng paan ng manok. Wow, look at that. Amazing. Wow, bibili ako. Wow, meron sila. Yeah, takpal il kilo. Yeah, takpal kasi. Yeah. Imagine that ang takpal is, they call it this one. They call this paan ng manok. So, bibili ako. Ito, amazing. Imagine 7,000 won lang. Isasama ko sa pwedeng adobo. It's because marami kanila mga pahain like the umbrella, like right in here. Walang pinagkaiba din sa Pilipinas. Yeah, during the market day, maraming mabibili mga vegetables and of course mga meat. So ako na paalam ng ano kasi we are getting also, we need more collagen. So, we're not done yet, so lakad pa tayo sa kabilang 5 minutes. I already this one because I'm waiting almost 7 hours, but it's okay. Napakadimik sa mga agis. Tekong bangda. Yes. So right now we're gonna go back home right now. It's almost like a 5:20 because meron magtatrabaho pa tayo because I'm going to. Oh, this one that was a press lettuce. Wow, di ba? It's afford naman kahit naghintay ko like almost like 5 minutes makabili lang ng takpal. Ganun kaginto ang takpal in here kasi this one is a lot of like what they call it benefits, yung collagen kasi iguang na tayo. Yes, mga kamatis nila pulang-pula. Yes, ang mga mansanas nila medyo may kamahalan pa. Nakakita ko ng what you call the pineapple. Yes, they got the pen and they got the pineapple. They always like a friend. Maraming salamat po sa ko lang sa mga kuya nag-enjoy ako sa market day in here. Not so much many people. Subscribe, leave comment down below at maraming salamat po sa inyo.